Today my father is going to show us how to take apart a turkey. So we already have the liver, the kidney, the neck, and the heart that's already removed. That was stuffed inside the turkey. Okay, so we're using this large cleaver right here. Okay. Okay. So my dad is the chef right here. 幾多磅嗰個 turkey 啊？ About 20-pound turkey right here. Alright. So obviously my dad already cleaned his hands, washed it. See, what you want to do is slice along the breast area, the neck area. What we're aiming for is, I believe, trying to cut it into a V shape. Slice it down along the breast line. Okay. So as you can see, we're separated where the wing is attached to the breast area. See? You see the center chest plate area? And then we're going to pull. Be careful. Okay. So hold down one side and then pull. It's difficult to pull. Slice along some of the flesh until remove. Alright? So we have one whole wing separated. Okay, that's a huge wing. And now comes the drumstick. Now what you want to do is fold it. See how it breaks naturally? And then just cut it along the flesh down to where it attaches to the bone. Similar anatomy like a chicken. Okay, so obviously now we're going to repeat it on the other side like a mirror image. Cut along that. Okay, now we got the other side. See how it's coming apart so easily? Okay. And now for the drumstick. So once you learn it, it's something that you always remember. And there goes the other drumstick. Now we just have the rib cage that's left. See? Of course, you got the breast meat right there. Again, you just cut along where it attaches to the bone. There are many stuff. You can do a lot of stuff with the rib cage. You can make soup. You can make porridge. Or just simply feed it to your beloved dog. See? Nice clean cuts of meat right there. No, very little is gone to waste if you are able to separate it properly. Look at that. See? You cook soup. Basically, what my dad is doing now is just removing a little bit amounts of meat, but additional step that's not required. Okay, now my dad is going to show us how to disassemble the drumsticks. Same idea as with the chicken or any type of poultry. You see how you flip it on the inside, cut it along before the bone attaches it. Use a cleaver accordingly, and then cut along the joints. Be careful of your hand, of course. Okay, that's one of the. You want to use the back of the cleaver, hammer it down until the bone cracks, breaks apart a little bit. See?
Good job.
Of course, it is quite intensive, so use the cleaver accordingly. See? You just cut or chop the end of the drumstick handle, and we have a. And there's the drumstick meat. See? That's how you disassemble a drumstick. Okay. So here are the turkey parts that we are putting in the soup. So in this soup, we have some pear, we have some
White carrot.
daikon or white carrots, and some
Orange.
orange, the flavoring.
White carrot.
The reason why that looks cooked is because my mom is boiling it to remove some of the blood and other, I guess,
ginger.
carcinogen that might be part of the turkey. But anyway, we're moving that all from boiling it and then put it into the soup.
焖那个羅漢
And then we put one of these, what's this called? Dry law hango.
潤肺
I don't know what the English name is, but whatever this fruit is. See?
雞水